to do the video with the airplane coming. It's coming along from inside, outside, almost done. Probably a week of work and it should be ready to go. Need new tires. I like the box. It's a tour around the tiny home. Look at this picture from here. Water heater, tankless water heater. I like this picture. Tiny home for sale, 702-521-2858. And this is 20 by 8 by 10. So with the whole thing, everything is 10, but actually 20 by 8 by 8. And it's about 160 square feet with the Murphy bed, shower. I will show you inside next time, but looking good so far.